Hello, kindergarten readers. Today we are going to read a book called Are These His or Hers? And by looking at the cover picture, I can tell them is sorting laundry. Now, laundry is another word for clothes. So there's the basket, and everybody's clothes are in the basket, and she needs to ask the kid, are these his or hers? Now, the two sight words are, here's the first one, is are. And I think you remember the sight word because when the letter R gets around vowels, sometimes, he can be very bossy. And in this word, he just wants to say his name and he won't let the other two letters say anything. And he just goes like this, R. And he is just being bossy. Now, the next word is the, and this might be a new word for you, so I want you to look at it with me carefully. It's still stick your tongue out, watch. Then this E's making a long E because there's the E. The E's, these. Okay, so let me turn pages here. Okay, and so she's going to ask, are these clothes his or hers? There's some blends in here. Oh, okay. These. Now, I'm going to get my mouth ready, and I'm going to look at the picture clue. Socks. These socks are his. Oh, I skipped a page, and that's okay, because this is a tricky one I wanted to go over with you anyway. These, now look at this big word. In big words like this, I have to use chunks. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Watch. Pajamas. Let's put it together. Pajamas. Mrs. Books could not make every one of those sounds and put them together, so she put them in chunks. See what I did? I said pa, then I took this chunk, jamas, and the picture matched, so that really helped me too. The pajamas are his. So today, you are going to use strategies when you read. You're going to remember your sight words, these and are. And you're going to remember that this is a book about clothes. And so the words you don't know or are new, you're going to use your sounds, shh, and your picture clues to help you. And when you've made your guess, you're going to check it all the way across. I think that's shirts. Let me check. Shh. Oh, you're being bossy again. Do you see it? Shirts. Shirts are hers. So today, readers, I want you to use strategies when you read and enjoy the book. Have a great day reading.